Welcome back. You're watching The Burning Question on India Today with me, Anjali Pandey, and we're now getting some breaking news. This is regarding the Bihar elections. Now, AIMIM attacks Mahagathbandhan over Sahni as Deputy Chief Minister face. He asked, what about 19% Muslims in Bihar? AIMIM's Waris Pathan has said that Sahni is Deputy Chief Minister with 2%, but what about the Muslims? So that's the question that has been posed by the AIMIM attacking the Mahagathbandhan after the Grand Alliance announced Mukesh Sahni as its Deputy Chief Minister pick. Now AIMIM is asking that what about the 19% Muslims in Bihar? Remember, Mukesh Sahni hails from the Nishad community and he has been made the Deputy Chief Minister faced by the Mahagathbandhan, and the Nishad community accounts for 2%, whereas the Muslims account for 19%, and that is the question that is being posed by AIMIM's Waris Pathan for the Mahagathbandhan.
महागठबंधन अनाउंस किया है कि तेजस्वी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे और जो साहनी साहब हैं वो उप मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे। अब यही हमारा दर्शाता ना, देखिए इनका हिपोक्रेसी जो है ये इस तरह से सामने आ जाती है। यही महागठबंधन और यही महाविकास आघाड़ी का स्लोगन क्या था, जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उसकी उतनी हिस्सेदारी। अब क्या हो गया हिस्सेदारी का, 2% वाला साहनी जो है वो बन सकता उप मुख्यमंत्री। 19% वाला जो मुसलमान है उसका अता पता ठिकाना भी नहीं है। देखिए क्या ये इंसाफ है, क्या ये हिस्सेदारी है, क्या ये बराबरी है? हाँ, तो हम तो यही बात कर रहे हैं ना हिस्सेदारी की, यानी मुसलमान सिर्फ आपके लिए दरी बिछाएगा, मुसलमान को आप सिर्फ उसके वोट के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और इलेक्शन खत्म, अपना काम बनता, बाहर में जाए मुसलमान जनता। यही आपका उसूल बन गया है।
इनको सिर्फ वोट बैंक बना के रखना है ऐसे समुदाय को। मुसलमानों की बात करेंगे, पर जब रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात आएगी तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन देंगे नहीं। उनको डरा के धमका के अपने साथ वोट बैंक रखना चाहेंगे। सैनी साहब को ही देख लीजिए, अपना समझौता हो गया, खुद डिप्टी सीएम बनने की घोषणा हो गई तो भूल गए। सीटें मिले नहीं मिले, अपने समाज के बाकी लोगों को लड़ा पाए नहीं लड़ा पाए, ये सिर्फ अपनी व्यक्तिगत महत्वाकांक्षाओं की लड़ाई महागठबंधन के घटक दल लड़ रहे हैं।
So it's not just the AIMIM that has called out the hypocrisy of the Mahagathbandhan. NDA's Chirag Paswan has also said that NDA will have Muslim representation and has hit out at the Mahagathbandhan, saying that they don't respect the Muslim community and they have zero representation for the same. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Piyush, AIMIM has called out what it calls the hypocrisy of the Mahagathbandhan, saying that the Nishad community that accounts for 2% has its representation. Mukesh Sahni has been picked as the Deputy Chief Minister face. But what about the 19% Muslim community?
Well, that's right. The politics is now taking place after the announcement of Mukesh Sahni as the Deputy Chief Minister and Tejasvi Yadav as the CM face of Mahagathbandhan. Remember that yesterday this announcement was made by Mahagathbandhan during the joint press conference, and today AIMIM has come out in open and is slamming this move. They are questioning as to why there is no Muslim representation. Why Yadav, who constitute around 14% of Bihar, and Nishad community, which constitutes around 2 to 3%, they are being given priority there in Mahagathbandhan. So AIMIM is now hitting out at the Mahagathbandhan. On the other side, we are also hearing the words coming in from Chirag Paswan, where he is also questioning the move of not giving enough representation to Muslim community by the Mahagathbandhan. Chirag Paswan is also saying that his father Ramvilas Paswan was also always of the view of upliftment of a Muslim community, but the Mahagathbandhan has always misused and they have always misused the trust and vote of Muslims. That's what Chirag Paswan is now claiming. So we are now seeing how AIMIM, which in the beginning of election wanted to have an alliance with Mahagathbandhan, and when this alliance did not take place, now AIMIM is now hitting out at the Mahagathbandhan, saying that they do not have enough representation and why they are giving more priority to the community which has very less representation in the Bihar caste factors.
All right, Piyush, do stay with us. Let's also listen in to Tejasvi Yadav.
₹1,000 मंथली जो है वो दिया जाएगा। 5 लाख रुपए का बीमा जीविका दीदियों के लिए कराया जाएगा। जो एक्स्ट्रा काम सरकार कराती है जीविका दीदियों से, समूह से, उनको प्रतिमाह 2000 रुपया जो है दिया जाएगा। तो ये सब काम जो है हम लोग करेंगे। कोई ऐसा सेक्टर नहीं है जो छूटे ना, सबको साथ लेकर के चलेंगे। हर जात धर्म विशेष सभी लोगों को आगे बढ़ाने का काम करेंगे। सामाजिक न्याय के साथ आर्थिक न्याय हम लोग देंगे।